Want to know how to report someone in Mobile Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, what you need to do is simply open up your application, and once you're there, right beside your profile, you should be seeing this customer service icon right here. So simply select it, and now this will open up your external browser or your Mobile Legends browser, where you can head towards customer service. Now once you're under help, here you can see report or appeal. Just simply select report or appeal, and once you're there, just simply select I want to report. Now here you can see various report options from AFK cheating to improper text and images. Just simply select any one of these, and once you're there, here you can see click here to fill the form. Just simply select it. Now once you've done that, you need to simply fill in your form, and after that is done, your reporting will be successful and they will get back to you with any updates. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.